So today I got a new camera, and so we're going to be looking at that today. It's the Reolink Lumus. So welcome to TechnoDadLife, and my name is Jeff, and so today we're going to be looking at the Reolink Lumus, which is an outdoor security camera from Reolink. So let's open up the box. So if we open up the box, we have some directions, some stickers, and a mounting drill hole. Then we have a USB cable, a mounting bracket, then we have some mounting supplies, and then our USB adapter. So yes, this one is actually a USB powered camera, so it makes a little different situation. So let's take a look at his Amazon for a second here. So if we take a look at Amazon, here we can see the Lumus. So the Lumus has a micro SD card slot, motion sensor, LEDs, spotlight, and it has a microphone and it has a siren built into it. If you don't have a place to actually plug this in, then I would suggest the Argus 2, which is probably my choice for inconvenient spots. It's battery powered, but it has a solar panel. So that's quite a good choice if you have a hard to reach spot and you can't get power to it. So let's take all our wrapping off here. So now we have it plugged in, and so what we're going to do is we're going to compare this to a Reolink 511 and see the picture quality both in low light and as little light as we can do. Okay, so next you need to set up the device on with the Reolink app actually. Give your camera a name, next. And then if you look at the Reolink app, you can see here over on this side the name has changed. Now the Wi-Fi camera is both on our app and our desktop. So let's see how these two compare. And so what we're going to do is record some video, so with the lights on and then the lights off. So this is me about 15 feet away, 10 feet, and then 5 feet. Okay, and so now let's try. Okay, so 15 feet away, 10 feet away, 5 feet away. Camera responds right away. And we can sound an alarm.
Please state the nature of the medical emergency.
And we can also talk. Hello?
Hello?
And I do not think we can actually hear though at the same time. So the Reolink Lumus is a great camera if you have somewhere to plug it in. Otherwise, if you want a battery operated one, I would go with the Argus 2, which can use the solar panel. And as you could see with our initial test there with the 510, I think it was, a IP camera is going to provide the best picture quality for the best price. That's it for today. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.